Yeah, man. One LVZ back with another. I just got you. Just man. Sometimes, man, I just wonder, man, why in the world white privilege even exists. This Peckerwood, Frank Vogel says KCP ain't been playing that bad. The man is 0 for 9. The man ain't start the season yet. The man has played 60 minutes and scored as much as me. He's not hit a basket yet. He has 1 point. Niggas is gonna give him the Bronx cheer the next joint. Just because you said that, Frank Vogel, you need to be fired. You and KCP. You and KCP, pack your shit, get the fuck up out of LA. That's it for you two guys. No, 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 nah. All of that. Every last one of them, I just said. How the hell you gonna defend a man that talk about, oh, he playing great deep? That is bullshit. Oh, see, but you ain't trusting KCP defense, dude. What defense? That's what Frank Vogel said. Oh, see, but you ain't paying attention to his defense, dude. What? Well, with Kawhi dropping buckets on his head and helmet and chin strap? You right, I ain't paying attention to his defense. Because he ain't got no goddamn O. Man, fuck Frank Vogel, man. Frank Vogel needs to be fired, and KCP need to go ahead with him. One LVZ, man. I'm out of it. This is foolishness. I'm out of here. It's goddamn foolishness. I'm out here eating Popeye's chicken.